Hello friend, this is Anki from Landpack. Today I will introduce one of the rotary pouch filling machine. It's mainly applied for broad bottom shaped pouch. This type of pouch is also normally with the ventilation valve and slight ziplock design. This is the inside. This is type of pouch also familiar with coffee products. And in back of myself, this is the machine for filling ground coffee and whole bean product into the pouch. I will show you one by one of this machine features. At first, this is the touch screen, 10-inch, easy visible to see the machine operation steps. And then we'll go through our back feeding parts. One of the new design is with the mechanism to store empty pouch so that you can save time to feeding the pouch on the conveyor belt. In the feeding belt with vacuum pump, the sucker plate will pick up the pouch and then giving to our rotary stable. There is the clamp to pick up the pouch. So the first step is to pick up pouch and then go through our second step. This is the barcode printer. This is the printing effect. You can set up different contents on this touch screen. And another features of this machine is on the opening pouch design. You will see this mechanism design is to help the pouch open more thoroughly. Since the block bottom shaped pouch side gusset is open, so this clamp will open the pouch, and then the bottom and the top with the vacuum suckers, so that this whole mechanism will function to open the pouch completely and then ready for filling. This machine will adopt the Auger screw dosing system. It also compatible for ground coffee and whole bean measuring. This is a touch screen to change the target weight. Okay, after filling, this is the workstation for dust remover. Here is for the hole to connect with your dust remover. And the brush here will clean up the pouch mouth once they dirt by the filling station. This is the folding mechanism. They will organize the side gussets and then folding the back more neatly and ready for sealing. On the first step sealing, there is the pair of spouts. It helps to exhaust the air inside. After first step sealing, there is another two-step sealing. Why this machine adopts three-step sealing? That's to ensure our sealing performance. Since the block bottom shaped pouch with different thickness on the sealing area. So this is the performance of the three-step sealing. Okay, so this is the machine specially application for block bottom shape of pouch. If you have same type of pouch filling solution requirement, please feel free to contact landpack.com. Thanks for your watching. See you.